Blackout Bingo's referral program can give you bonus rewards for bringing new players to the app, but the exact offer can depend on the promotion available when you sign up. By the end, you'll know how the referral process works, what the new player usually needs to do, and which conditions you should check before expecting a bonus. The basic process starts inside Blackout Bingo. Open your account and look for the referral or invite option. If the feature is available to your account, Blackout Bingo provides a referral link or code that you can share with someone else. The important part is that simply sending the link does not necessarily mean the reward is earned. Referral promotions can include eligibility requirements for the person you invite, such as being a new player or completing a qualifying action. So before you send your link, open the current referral offer and read the requirements shown inside the app. Check what counts as a qualified referral, whether the person has to use your specific link, and whether there is a deadline attached to the promotion. There's another detail worth checking. The referral reward and the requirements can change. A bonus shown in an older screenshot, review, or social media post may not match the promotion currently available in your account. If your friend installs Blackout Bingo without using your referral link, you should not assume the referral will be credited afterward. Have them use the correct link or code from the beginning if the promotion requires it. After the referral is completed, check the rewards section of your Blackout Bingo account to see whether the bonus has been credited or whether another qualifying step is still required. Also remember that referral bonuses are promotional rewards, not guaranteed cash simply for downloading the app. If the offer requires gameplay, an entry, or another qualifying action, complete only the steps shown in the current promotion. The practical approach is simple. Open Blackout Bingo, find the referral offer, read every requirement, copy your personal referral link, and send that exact link to a new eligible player. The key points are that referral rewards depend on the current promotion. The invited player may need to complete specific requirements, and using the correct referral link matters. Check the live offer in your Blackout Bingo account before sharing it, because that is the most reliable way to know the current reward and eligibility rules. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 app reviews, payment guides, and beginner walkthroughs.